Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this 3 dimensions rosebud pattern formas adapter. It is very easy and it's very fast. It's suitable for all crochet level. So happy watching. The material you need to provide are yarn itself, crochet hooks, 2 buttons, tapestry needles, and a pair of scissors. Firstly, make a slip knot and chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a slip stitch inside the chain 1. This is a slip stitch here. Then make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Then make 5 double crochet and forms popcorn stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 double crochet to make a popcorn stitch. Okay, this is easy to make a popcorn stitch. Insert the insert the hook into the first double crochet. 3 chain is considered as first double crochet, but I count the first double crochet as through the normal double crochet. Grab the yarn and insert it through the first normal double crochet. Then make chain of 3. 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch here. It looks like how to make a picot stitch. Then make a chain of 3 again. 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch in the same space. And the last one, make a chain of 3 again and slip stitch at the same space. Okay, the first flower bud is almost done. Then make chain of 3. 1, 2, 3, then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Then turn the work and insert the hook in the stitch here and grab the yarn to make a slip stitch. Okay, complete first rosebud is now ready. Make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. These are about to make a second rosebud. Turn the work and make 5 normal double crochet through this chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then make another popcorn stitch to the first normal double crochet. Insert the hook into the first normal double crochet. Grab the working yarns. Grab the working hook, working loops into the first normal double crochet. Then make chain of 3. 1, 2, 3, and make slip stitch here. Then make chain of 3 again and make slip stitch in the same space. 2, 3, slip stitch, and another last chain of 3 and make a slip stitch in the same space. 2, 3, slip stitch. Okay, after this, make another chain of 4. Make chain 4 or chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the work and make a slip stitch in a stitch here. You can easily find it if you work this project. Grab the working yarn and pull it through whole loop here. Okay, done. Just like this. It's very easy. You don't need to confuse anything. You come to this part. Okay, then make chain of 3, 2, 3. Turn the work and make another 5 normal double crochet to make pop stitch. It is easy, just like before. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, then make popcorn stitch through first normal double crochet. Insert the hook here, grab the loops and pull it through first normal double crochet. Then just like before, make chain of 3, 1, 2, and 3, and make a slip stitch here to the top of bud. Then another chain of 3 again, make slip stitch in the same space, and the last chain of 3 to make last to make a chain of 3 here again and make the last slip stitch here to form the bud. Okay, it's done. 3 rosebud. Make chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and just like before, make a slip stitch through this stitch here. Grab the yarn and pull it through these loops to make a slip stitch. Then just like before again, make chain of 3 and turn the work. Repeat this process until you get the desired length. Okay, I'm reaching a desired length of mine. So let's count. I make a total. Let's see. Okay, I will count it from here. I make a total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A total 11 rosebud cluster. Here it looks like this. Then I will make series of chain before I make the edging of this work. I make chain of 4 and I will make a slip stitch on the space I just showed you before. 2, 3, and 4, and I will make slip stitch here in this visible space, and another chain of 4. Make chain of 4, 3, 4, slip stitch, and chain of 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch again, okay, this is what it's look like. You just need to repeat these patterns and make it until you come to the first the beginning of work. Okay, when you arrive here, you just need to make one slip stitch in the chain space at the beginning of the work, then make chain of 4 again and make a slip stitch through the stitch, not through the visible stitch, through this stitch. You can easily find it if you work with this project. I don't know how to call this stitch, but you can, I believe that you can easily find it. Make chain of 4 and a slip stitch at the same space, at the same stitch here. Don't worry, you can easily find it. I just don't know how to call it. Okay, make again chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a slip stitch again. This slip stitch is also visible. You can easily find it, just trust me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Another slip stitch at the same space, of the stitch itself. Okay, it's almost done. Just repeat this chain of 4 until you arrive here. Okay, now make a slip stitch here. Okay, I got it. Then I will make chain of 2, 1 and 2, not 4 but 2. I will make a slip stitch before the very first chain of 4, exactly here. Grab the yarn to complete this stitch. Okay, I will add one more chain before I turn the work. Chain 1 and turn the work. Now I will make the edging by filling this chain space with 3 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, then 2 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and I will make 1 single crochet after them. Okay, this is what it's look like. I go to second chain space. I will make 3 single crochet again, 2 and 3, 2 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and the last one is single crochet. Repeat again. On the third chain space, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 2 half double crochet, 1, 2, and the last one back to 1 single crochet. Repeat this amount of stitch and this style of stitch on the rest of single on the rest of 4 chain space. Make it until here first. I will show you. Okay, now you arrive here. Just complete this part. 2, 3 single crochet, 1 first half double crochet and 2 half double crochet, then back 2 single crochet. Okay, then repeat it again. Repeat until you complete this part. Make it slowly and pull the yarn loosely. I mean, not too loose, not too tight. Make it normally. Okay, the last one is single crochet. This is what it looks like. Okay, then fill the next chain space with the same amount of stitches and the same type of stitches. 3 first single crochet, then 2 half double crochet, and the last one is 1 single crochet. It's easy to remember. I make different stitches because I want to make it not too flat. 2 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and the last one is single crochet. You need to remember the type and the numbers of stitch I'm using here. Then repeat it again. 3 single crochet followed by 2 half double crochet, ended by 1 single crochet. Easy to remember. One last single crochet. Okay, this is what it looks like. Then repeat these patterns all the way around to complete this project. Okay, now you are arriving at the last part. Make the last edging. Same pattern, 3 first single crochet followed by 2 half double crochet and end this by 1 single crochet. Finally, make 2 single crochet in this 2 chain. In this chain of 2, make 2 single crochet, then make a slip stitch in the very first single crochet of the first edging. Okay, it's ready now. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is the normal thing to do at the end of a project. Fasten the yarn. As this one is about to make mesh adapter, don't forget to put the button. This is what it looks like. I will show you this before. Okay, surround the button. It's ready now. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching my video and thank you so much for subscribing this channel.